Today, I'm going to teach you how to cut a line in Affinity Designer. This is a fundamental skill that gives you precise control over your vector artwork, allowing you to split paths exactly where you need them. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the program opens, you can either open your existing file or create a new one to work with. This step gets your workspace ready for editing. Now, click on the line you want to cut. Selecting the line is important because it tells Affinity Designer which object you're planning to modify. You'll notice the line becomes highlighted, indicating it's ready for editing. Next, in the left sidebar, click on the Node tool. This tool is essential for working with vector paths because it allows you to see and manipulate the individual points that make up your line. Once you activate the Node tool, you'll see nodes appear along your selected line. Then click on the center of your line where you want to cut it. You can choose any point along the line, but clicking the center is often the most common approach. This action places your cursor at the exact location where the split will occur. After that, in the top toolbar, click Break Curve. This is the critical step that actually separates your single line into two distinct segments. The Break Curve function tells Affinity Designer to sever the path at the selected node, creating two independent line segments that you can now move separately. Finally, in the left sidebar, click on the Move tool, then separate or drag the line you cut. Switching to the Move tool allows you to reposition the newly separated segments. You can now drag each piece independently to arrange them however you need for your design. And there you have it. You've successfully cut a line in Affinity Designer, giving you the flexibility to work with individual segments for more complex designs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.